Over a month back or years back, WhatsApp has been dropping its new updates, from editing messages to AI stickers, plus the new privacy controls. In this video, I'll be breaking down the new features, how they work, and why you should start using them right now. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal chats, work groups, or even business, these updates are designed to make communication faster and a lot more fun. Let's dive into feature by feature, and trust me, this will change the way you've been using your WhatsApp. Ever sent a text in a typo? Now you can edit a send message within 15 minutes. So basically, since this is our chat, let me send a message, hey, okay, and now let me try to edit this message. I'll long press and I tap the pencil icon, then I'll say I just wanted to send. Then when I check, it's gonna indicate that it's edited. Even to the person that you've sent, it will show that the message has been edited. But again, if I long press again, you find that the tools just appear there like straightforward. You may be asking yourself, why isn't your device showing like, it's not displaying like this? Maybe you're holding a phone that is in portrait mode. That means portrait mode, you will have 3 dots right here where you will select, and it will show all these, but there will be words, not tools, like not icons. No more awkward follow-up corrections. Privacy just got stronger. WhatsApp now lets you lock chats with Face ID or fingerprint. For Face ID it's iPhones, then fingerprint is Android. So if I wanna lock this chat, I'll just long press on it. Then I'll tap the 3 dots. Then I'll go to lock chat. Then I'll continue. My device isn't locked, that's why it's bringing this message. I need to first set up a lock for my device. Please put in note that when using this feature, you will use the same lock as of your device. You will not change, like maybe to use a different password for this or different biometric, something like that. So it will depend on the devices that you'll be using. This keeps sensitive conversations hidden, even if someone else is holding your phone. Just like voice notes, WhatsApp can let you now send a video note to the receiver. So currently what we're gonna do is let's head over to our chat. Then we tap the photo icon, and now we select video note right here. This is perfect for facial expression and maybe giving visual updates. Do you need your group discussions to be made faster? Create polls directly in your groups or chats, from picking a meeting time or voting. Now under this chat, I'm gonna tap the attach button, and now I select polls. And now let's set our poll question. Now we can either enable multiple answers or disable multiple answers, but let's just set it to enable multiple answers. Then we send. So we can tap here to view the votes. It's just 1 vote. Okay. It is quick and interactive. Just type in your description and AI will create a sticker for you. Now let's head over to the sticker icons. We have here the emojis, we have the GIFs, we have what we're interested in is the custom stickers, and we can create a sticker right here. You can use the camera, you can use the recents, but we're interested in the using AI. So now let me describe the sticker. Giant man. You you can use the space to generate, the more you make the prompt broader, the more it generates something that is so custom to you. And the other thing that I also noticed on this feature, though it's kind of different but similar, where you can create image stickers using the existing images to create stickers. WhatsApp is also testing on the AI art creation tools plus the AI chatbots, so you will be able to chat with multiple chatbots. Maybe in the future WhatsApp will introduce this. We only have the default AI chatbot, like the Meta AI chatbot, but maybe the integration of multiple AI chatbots into this WhatsApp app could make sense. Now this will enable you to generate different tasks without leaving the app. I can relate this to maybe ChatGPT, where you find different GPTs, the different custom GPTs, something like that. Now, instead of looking chat by chat or looking some chats and leaving out some chats, I find that this feature is a game changer, because you will have to just lock the entire app using either Face ID, the ones that are using iOS, or using the fingerprint, the ones that are using Android. Under the settings, let me navigate to the privacy. Now scroll down and select app lock and enable it. Please note that your device should have a lock. If it doesn't have a lock, it won't lock. A new Privacy Checkup walks you through the key privacy settings in one place, from who can see your profile photo to controlling last seen. Now you can send either a photo or a video or even a voice note to be viewed once. That means that after downloading it and playing it, you will just view it that particular time. You will not have to maybe store it into your phone or even a screenshot. You can't. Now let's head over to our chat right here, and let's go to our touch icon. Then I'll go to the gallery. Then I'll have to choose the recents. I'll choose this, one of our achievements. And if I want to send it as a view once, I'll just tap the view once button. And now I'll just do send. So it has sent the photo. The recipient will receive the photo and it will be viewed once. So there is also this voice note. If I want to set the voice note as a view once, I'll just tap right here. View once, and now I'll just send. So the other person will receive the voice message. They will receive the voice note as a view once media. Same applies to the video. If you have any video, you can come and you attach it right here. You select maybe from the gallery and you select the video that wanna send as a view once media. This is perfect for private moments and temporary updates. WhatsApp now lets you create your digital twin. I call it a digital twin, yeah. Yes, your own avatar with skin tones, outfits, and styles. You can use them as animated stickers or even make them as your profile photos, like your profile. So under the settings, let's head over to the avatar. Create your avatar right here. So here there are two options. You can either create from a selfie or manually. Let's start with a selfie. We can customize our body to either masculine right here or feminine. But I'll select all and I'll have to choose a body size. For a man is like this. Okay, let's select, okay, that will work. Then let's continue. Now let me choose the outfits. You can choose any outfits that you feel work for you best. In the bottom still you can choose the shoes, you can choose there are so many things I can do, but let me just hit done. So there you are. So that's my avatar. I can publish it as my profile photo. Now this time around we are creating manually. Select the skin tone. Oh wait, a bit lighter, yeah. The next, then the hairstyle, the next, then the face shape. Oh, okay, let's go with this. The next, then the body shape. Select that, then continue, then done. Photos and videos can be sent in HD quality, preserving details so that your image doesn't look so much blurry. So we head over to our chat right here, and now we go to the attach icon. Then I select the gallery, then I choose the photo that I want to send. Then I select the HD format, the one in HD. Select right there and send. It is sent in HD quality. So the other setting that I want us to set, the other option, we want to make it default that whenever we send these images or videos, let them be in HD quality. So we go to the three dots menu, and now we select the settings, and now we head over to storage and data right here, and now we select the media upload quality, set it to HD quality, and save. Then we go back. Let's go back to our chart right here, and let's attach our image. Now guess you're seeing now it's by default HD, so whenever you don't want to send it as an HD, you just uncheck that, but it's by default now, then send. That's how you will be able to send the high quality images by default without triggering the settings each time. Now leaving a group, now only admins can be notified. No more awkward goodbyes. Now when forwarding messages attached to photos, videos or files, stay linked so that you don't lose context. Filter chats to show unread messages, favorite groups, new customer, and so many and so forth. Right, now this is all the messages that we have, all the categories. Now we have the unread from WhatsApp itself, but they can be multiple messages that are unread. Then we have the favorites. If you have any favorite chats, you can just place them in order. Then we have groups, then we have new customer, new order, pending payment, paid. Well, if you want to change or remove, you can go to the settings and go to the listings, and now we manage. You can add a new list if you want, or we can delete if you want. Now the best thing about these listings is that you can toggle it either always 1 week or 8 hours. This hinders you from getting notifications from each and every maybe new customer or group chat, something like that. This is a great order to place your different activities, groups, chats, and your favorites, something like that. And now heading over to the update section, here is the list of the channels that I'm currently following, and here is the recommended ones I can join. Now let me give you a bonus tip in this section. Let's tap the three dots icon and go and create a channel. Then we continue. Then you enter the channel name and what your channel will be doing, and yeah, you're good to go. You've created a channel. The best thing about how WhatsApp try to organize these channels is that it's not mixed with your chats. It is under the updates section. You can now react to statuses. Under this updates section, we have the status. And now let me try to view my status. So I like, this is how you like, and when you like, the person will receive the like. And now the other thing that we're looking at is sending voice status. There are multiple ways here to send the status. You can send a video, photo. Most of us know this and this, but now the voice, you come right here, you start your voice start talking, and now it will record the voice status for you. So this is a game changer for sure. Here it's recording, and yeah, then here we can send our status. Send notes, reminders, links, files to yourself. This is like turning your WhatsApp into your notepad. Chat with someone without saving their contact. So let me show you the instances where I always apply this. The first one is you tap the plus icon right here, and it's gonna search for the contacts available. Add a new number, but I guess your device shows it here at the top. I'm so sorry I didn't show this out. I just linked this device, so it misses out some features, but you should be seeing the option of adding number. So you just add the number right here, and it's gonna, like, you're gonna send a message direct. Then the other option that I usually use, for me it's the fastest option. I just copy the number. For instance, I type in that number, then I just send it to myself I send it to myself, me, you, me. Then after, what I do is I click on it and it checks the number. If it finds the number is on WhatsApp, just chat, like you click chat, and now you start chatting with the number without saving it. This is basically perfect for temporary conversations in case you don't wanna save a number. So I chat with someone. This is a game changer. Then lastly, feature 19, save disappearing messages. If someone sends you an important disappearing message, you can now choose to save it so that it doesn't vanish. WhatsApp is no longer just a messaging app. It is becoming all-in-one communication hub with privacy, AI, and creativity at the core. Which of the above updates are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.